Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the long A sound in our Learning to Read program. We have already learned that the letter A makes the A sound in open syllables. We'll start by reviewing some words where the letter A makes the long A sound. As I read the word, point to the letter making the long A sound. Paper, acorn, bacon. Great. The VCE syllable can also make the long A sound. As I read the words, point to the letters making the long A sound. Remember, the A makes its long A sound because the E is making it, but the E is silent. Lake, tape, cave. Great. AI can also make the long A sound in the middle of a syllable. As I read the words, point to the letters making the long A sound. Rain, hail, snail. Awesome. AY can also make the long A sound. It does this at the end of a syllable. As I read the words, point to the letters making the long A sound. Clay, tray, birthday. EY can also make the long A sound. This is not as common of a spelling though. As I read the words, point to the letters making the A sound. Hey. ET can also make the long A sound. This is a spelling we borrow from French. As I read the words, point to the letters making the A sound. Crochet, ballet. EA can also sometimes make the long A sound. As I read the words, point to the letters making the A sound. Break. EIGH can also make the long A sound. This is not a very common spelling. As I read the word, point to the letters making the long A sound. Neighbors, sleigh. Now I'm going to show you some letters. I want you to say the sounds the letters could make. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sounds, and then I will say the sounds so you can check your work. A or a. Aim. A. 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 Now I'm going to show you some words. I'll give you about 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the words so you can check your work. Day, great, tail, they, way. Great job. You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.